Rampal's bail in the murder case stands cancelled. In fact, the regular bail that was also granted by the High Court earlier stands cancelled. So this clearly means that there is legal trouble now brewing for the self-styled Godman Rampal. The latest that we are getting to hear now from the High Court that Rampal's bail in the murder case has been cancelled by the High Court.
The division bench consisting of Justice M. Jayapal and Justice Darshan Singh assembled today at 10 a.m. To begin with, the division bench pronounced orders regarding the cancellation of bail of Baba Rampal in the main murder case for which he is undergoing trial before the Sessions Judge Rohtak. Pronouncing its order, the division bench ordered that the bail granted by the High Court to Baba Rampal in this case on 2nd of April 2008 stands cancelled, and he has been directed to be taken immediately into custody. Following upon this pronouncement, the Advocate General Haryana, on behalf of the state government, moved an application before the division bench, informing the court that Rampal has been arrested pursuant to the non-bailable warrants issued by the bench earlier. Since the case is scheduled for hearing tomorrow, the 21st, the Advocate General, through this application, sought permission of the High Court to produce Rampal before the bench during the course of the day, that is today itself. The application has been allowed, and the state has been directed to produce Rampal before the bench today at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. The main case, the suo motu contempt proceedings scheduled for tomorrow, have been advanced to today.